Maytag washer model # won't drain. I'm stuck with water in the drum.
Is your Maytag washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Yes, top loading. It is approximately 6 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag washer? What have you tried so far?
Just happened. I checked the drain hose for any blockages, pulled out 2 coins stuck inside the tub and tried several times to hit drain to spin, but it won't drain and spin. It will wash and agitate though, so the drum will move.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I checked all the basics and I read that sometimes there can be blockages from too much suds.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be helping you. Sorry you are having trouble with your washer. Please give me a moment to review your question. Please note that it sometimes takes a while to type responses, links, and answers. Also note that you may receive a phone call offer from JustAnswer. That is automatically sent by the website and not from the expert. You can ignore that pop-up if you'd like. Can you tell me how full the washer is of water?
Well, it was 1/3 full, then I emptied it, then I ran a wash and it filled the tub again, so it's relatively full again, won't drain.
Okay. What do you hear when you start the drain and spin cycle?
Just humming sound.
Okay, you just have something stuck in your pump. Probably a sock or a coin. You will need to drain the washer. Hook up a shop vac to the drain and suck all the water out. Then unplug and tilt the washer back and remove the 3 pump screws that hold it on and pull it down to remove whatever is in the impeller. If there is no obstruction, the motor is bad, but quite rarely. Since we are on the honor system, JustAnswer will only credit me for my time if you rate me positively. By giving me a rating of 4 or 5 stars at the top right of your screen, I will provide free follow-up questions for this appliance after this session. I am not always online, but answer questions as soon as I see them. So if you don't get an answer right away, don't worry, I log on daily to respond to questions. Thank you.
Just a question, I drained and sucked the tub, but where do I look for the impeller? Can I unscrew from the inside?
Unplug the washer and tilt the washer back. Look underneath. It is on the right. It will have the hoses connected to it. Take out the 3 screws holding the pump to the tub. That will expose the impeller. Use towels because you will still get some water.
Okay.
When you put the pump housing back on, make sure the gasket seats properly so it does not leak. Did you find the obstruction?
I'm having trouble removing the pump. Take a look and tell me if it's the 3 screws or the 3 small nuts that I need to remove.
I would take the 3 Phillips screws out. That will get you to the impeller. The 3 bolts takes the whole pump out.
I don't see any obstruction.
Okay, if there is no obstruction, and the pump only hums but does not turn, then it needs to be replaced. I provided your part number above.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.